What's up, Guru Nation? How's it going? Welcome back to the clinicaltrialsguru.com. So quick video today for those of you potential and future CRAs in the industry. Be extremely careful when you apply to CRA jobs because I had, and not a student of mine, our students know better, someone who wants to be a student. So she's having issues finding a job. When I asked probing questions, I realized she wasn't passing her background check. And what background check was it? Previous employment. And I said, well, what's the problem? Is your previous employer not answering the phone? What's going on? She said, no, I never actually worked at the company that I mentioned on my CV. And I said, well, that, my friend, is the problem. Never lie on your resumes, okay? I mean, people embellish their experience, their skills. That's different, but just outright lying and putting down a company that you never worked for and hoping that since the company's big enough that you might get lost in the mix and it'd be explainable why someone wouldn't be able to find your file. These people who are hiring CRAs, first of all, they're going to be paying you a lot of money, like 80 to 100K a year or more. They're not stupid, okay? They do this for a living, all right? Especially these people in HR, like that's all they do is do background checks in addition to interviewing. So be careful, don't lie, okay? And I told this person, hey, if you join my CRA Academy, you don't actually need to do that because we give all of our students who graduate internship, all right? So you actually can work indefinitely at one of our sites as an in-house CRA for my CRO, DSC CRO. And you can put that on your resume, right? You can be truthful about it too. We've had many students go on and get hired. So there's no need to lie. Be careful. You don't want to burn bridges. This is a small industry. And if you keep doing that, pretty soon you're going to blacklist yourself from all the big CROs, right? So be careful. Tell the truth. Yes, it's okay to embellish a little here and there, but just outright lies, they're not going to get you very far. All right, thank you very much for watching. Dan from the clinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care. So I forgot to add, Guru Nation, stay tuned after this video for this one. One of our generous viewers who actually works at a large CRO sent me this video that she made for you guys. And it talks about not only what a CRA is, but also some of the other jobs that we don't always think of, especially you guys who have no experience or very little experience and want to become CRAs. Well, there's some entry-level jobs you can, it's going to take more work, as does everything, but you can get your foot in the door. And so watch the video at the end and let me know what you think, all right? Take care.
I'm extremely excited to be invited to this interview. My name is Mary Otieno. I'm a senior clinical trial assistant here at Quintiles. I do have a bachelor's in communication and sociology. I'm in the process of finalizing my master's in healthcare and administration. I've also trained the CCO group. I've done numerous impresario presentations with an aim of not only evoking the interest of my colleagues to do the training, but also to provide a different avenue that they could leverage in terms of data analysis and presentation. I think these and many more have prepared me for the role of being a CRA. Working at Quintiles has been very experiential in the sense that the continuous improving information and technology has revealed boundless possibilities that are in data management and data presentation as well as data analysis. At the heart of being a CRA, there is a realization that I'll be part of this big story, a story that transverses our location. And in that story, there is hope, there is cure, there is good future for the patients that we serve. Every day I come to Quintiles, I'm extremely excited that I'm part of this global alliance that is working round the clock to develop drugs that may cure people that I know. The most cardinal aspect is realizing that in my own little ways, I have been contributing to the alleviation of pain and suffering. And then I think about the HIV patient in my village who wanders in the air if there'll ever be a cure for HIV. Well, being at Quintiles at this time will increase my probability of me being able to participate in such drug development. And then I think about the hepatitis patient who is hopeless and wonders if there'll ever be a cure, but only to receive the good news of a drug called Salvadi. What they may not have known is that Quintiles was part of that team that participated in that trial that later culminated to its endorsement by FDA. I think being a CRA will take me right to the heart of what clinical trials is all about. I consider myself a global citizen who is culturally competent. I was born and raised in Kenya, and in the course of my career, I have been exposed to multiple cultures and languages. What is even more important is that Quintiles is globally focused with multi-center clinical sites spread across the globe. And the very nature of clinical trials requires a demographically representative sample. I think we can't run away from competent culture because, again, the very nature of clinical trials requires diverse patient population if we are to get good data and great outcome. This would therefore mean an encounter with the diverse patient population as well as transcontinental staff population. And I do promise during my interactions not only to be a good CRA, but a great ambassador for Quintiles. My name is Mary Otieno. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.